Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown, and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure Security and Privacy Concepts. I am a senior cloud instructor at Firebrand Training in the UK, where I spend most of my time delivering cloud courses across Europe. Cloud services are used by more and more organisations each year, and Microsoft Azure is one of the biggest providers of cloud services today. 95% of Fortune 500 companies are already using Microsoft Azure, and for all of them and you, cloud security and compliance is an important topic. In this course, we're going to introduce you to key security and compliance features offered by Azure. Some of the major topics that we will cover include Azure Active Directory, role-based access control, Azure security and compliance tools, and Azure security monitoring. By the end of this course, you'll have gained an overview of all the key security and compliance features offered by Azure. You'll be comfortable describing and working with these features, and you will have also covered Azure security and compliance features needed for the Microsoft AZ900 exam. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic cloud concepts and have already created an Azure subscription to practice the skills you will learn during this course. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Azure with courses on Azure Administration, Azure Development, and general cloud design and implementation. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Microsoft Azure Security and Compliance with the Microsoft Azure Security and Privacy Concepts course at Pluralsight.